In this video, I will guide you on how to set up eSIM on the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. Now, the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and get your eSIM QR code or activation code that should look just like this. So whether you're transferring the eSIM from another device to your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G or setting it up for the first time, you want to make sure you have the eSIM activation code or QR code. You can get this from your service provider or carrier. Also, make sure you're connected to the internet on your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, either to your Wi-Fi or another hotspot network, or in the case where you already have a physical SIM, you can turn on your mobile internet data, and then you want to proceed to open up the settings of your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G just over here. From the settings, you want to tap on connections and then to SIM manager over here, and you're going to see the add eSIM option. Go ahead and tap on that, give it a couple of seconds, and at this point you want to proceed to scan the eSIM QR code that was given to you by your service provider. But if you're transferring the eSIM from another device to your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, make sure you actually delete the eSIM from the previous device and then proceed to tap on the scan QR code option over here. If you have an activation code as well, you can tap on the enter activation code option. In my case, it is a QR code, so I'll go ahead and scan it just like so. And as soon as you scan the QR code, your eSIM will start the activation process. So you want to tap on the plus icon over here and then give it a couple of seconds. Once the SIM is added, you should now be able to find it just over here on your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. And in the case where you have more than one SIM card, you'll be prompted to go through the SIM management process. So go ahead and tap on the next button from over here. Select the SIM card you prefer for calls. I will go with my eSIM. Tap on the next button, select the SIM card you prefer for messages, tap on the next button. Finally, the SIM card you prefer for mobile data, tap on done, and you're good to go. And keep in mind that whether you have an eSIM or a physical SIM, you're only allowed to insert two SIM cards on the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, which can either be two eSIMs or two physical SIMs or an eSIM and a physical SIM. But you cannot add more than two SIM cards. And I hope this was helpful, guys. Please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel.